Welcome to Luxorium, where European elegance meets lived-in warmth. Here we explore timeless interiors, rich materials, and thoughtful styling that turn houses into heirlooms. Expect seasonal palettes, practical luxury tips, and curated room tours designed to inspire your next upgrade. Beautiful, functional, and deeply personal, one refined detail at a time. Golden light slips across carved panels in herringbone oak, and the room exhales a soft, mossy calm. Brass gleams with quiet confidence, marble veining whispers history, and damask textures feel like early evening. Settle into boucle comfort, listen to leaves outside, and let autumn frame the elegance. Muted overcast daylight flatters every dentil and molding, making taupe silks read richer and rugs glow like embers. Mahogany feels grounded, alabaster lamps feel honest, and the hearth waits with quiet purpose. It is a salon built for slow talk, deep breaths, and warm rust-toned tea. Ecru stucco and travertine keep their cool while terracotta and burnt sienna lean into the season. Burro grain curls like smoke under soft dusk, and Murano glass scatters tiny sunset sparks. Linen and pewter anchor the table, reminding you that simple textures can feel luxuriously timeless. Walnut Boirie holds the day's last light like a secret, with velvet drapes deepening the hush. Tobacco and claret underfoot feel like stepping into a vintage novel. Brass picture lights skim leather spines, and the green marble hearth hums with quiet composure and crisp, library room air. Tall mullioned windows rinse the Delft tiles in calm, river blue daylight. Chevron floors wear their years gracefully, and cognac leather relaxes into the scene. Mustard and indigo tapestry notes carry a hint of harvest, while pewter and linen keep everything grounded, unpretentious, and genuinely inviting. Cobalt cream azulejos cool the air, while terracotta and flax linen warm it right back. A caramel daybed catches the sun like honey, and brass edges wink softly. Dried grasses add a coastal hush and limewash walls breathe, making autumn feel breezy, gentle, and surprisingly bright inside. Nordic light washes pine boards pale and honest, revealing every scuff meant to be seen. Muted sage paint and oat rust will keep the palate comforting. A cast iron stove waits patiently, and gauzy linen softens the edges, so the space feels crisp, uncluttered, and quietly generous. Smoked oak Versailles patterns ground the room while burgundy damask pulls the eye inward. Onyx timepieces tick with ceremonial calm, and gilt frames gather the glow. Plum velvet adds the season's depth, and crystal prisms scatter warm flecks, making evening feel stately without ever feeling stern. Pietra Serena cools the pulse and Kodo warms it, stone and fire in easy conversation. Copper carries its tarnish like jewelry, and walnut sets the table with quiet confidence. Linen sacks and dried herbs hint at supper, and the whole room feels like autumn's most generous welcome. Lime-painted mushroom gray keeps the mood hushed, while bluestone and bleached beams balance weight with lightness. Linen slipcovers relax into the day, and a rust check throw nods to the fields outside. Nothing shouts here. Materials whisper, daylight drifts, and comfort arrives without fuss. October overcast brings out the beauty in black marble and ebonized wood, sleek but never cold. Caramel-striped silk softens the edges, and paprika kilim warms the floor like an ember. The convex mirror gathers the room's story, and everything finds its place with effortless poise. Autumn in the example wears olive and terracotta underfoot, with walnut and parchment adding tone and texture. Cast plaster draws a crisp line, while tobacco velvet deepens the afternoon. Linen shears flutter a little, and the tiles show their age proudly, each chip a remembered step. Stone, oak, and will carry the hillside indoors, with tartan greens and rusts wrapping the chill. Ironwork feels honest, the refectory table strong, and pewter glows like quiet moonlight. A soot-marked hearth sets the mood, and the mist outside only makes it cozier within. Sepia toile and Versailles parquet sketch a dream of autumn evenings that arrive softly. Unlacquered brass warms under dappled light, and silken cinnamon adds a gentle spice. Linen creases invite exhale, shutters filter the glow, and the room feels tender, elegant, and deeply restful. Thanks for spending time with Luxorium today. If today's ideas sparked your imagination, color palettes, textures, or those effortless styling tricks, show some love. Like this video, subscribe for more refined room tours and practical tips, and drop a comment with what you want to see next. Your feedback shapes our next episode.